So the first thing that I really need to unbox is this package from Knobloch. Ooh, nice! I did not try these ones yet. That's nice that it actually. I might definitely put a set when I'm back. We have some duo set as well. Very nice. And in the last one we do have, let's see. Alright, the high tension. Yes, those are the ones that I'm gonna bring. Oh, we've got a nice lovely t-shirt again. Thank you, Knobloch, for sending this package. It was super lovely of you. And the second package I wanted to open. Haha! I know what that is. MusicSleeve shop. I'm going to add the Instagram down here below so you can check them out. They make those sleeves themselves and I'm kind of excited to check them. We got some gummy bears. There are so many! Look, they sent so many! They don't press, they really adapt to the body. And it looks nice. Good, it looks like a fish skin. People ask, why do they have those things on the arm? To protect the guitar from your own sweat. Feels good. Feels good. Approved. Thank you again for sending them. I hope you get some more clients because they're definitely very nice sleeves, very practical, and really needed that in the guitar world.